Hello, folks. Happy Holi. I hope you're doing well. As indicated in the previous video, we had three market scenarios, with outcomes from scenarios 1 and 2 coming in on Friday. In scenario 1, the market was expected to open flat and rise to 22,100 before facing resistance. However, the market opened a gap down and rallied to the top, consolidating for a while before breaking the resistance. In scenario 2, the market broke the resistance but failed to sustain the level, leading to a drop and ending the day. So, altogether, scenario 1 and 2 were the outcomes for Friday, whereas scenario 3 was not followed by the market because it occurred during a downturn. From now on, we will create scenarios to increase clarity in the chart, as well as to keep our minds clear and easy to grasp. Now, there are three possible outcomes for the Nifty 50 tomorrow. Scenario 1 is that, because the market is opening after 3 days, there is a greater chance of a gap up or down, so we will first plan for a gap up. If the market gap ups more than 35 points from the previous closing, we can expect good resistance from 22,150 to 22,180, from which it will take resistance and fall. In this case, the market will not move substantially to the upside. Scenario 2 states that if the market starts level, it has two options, move up or down. If the market continues to rise, it will rise until 22,150 to 22,180, at which point it will attempt to calm down and maybe consolidate. Or it will fall and conclude the day. I believe there are very little odds of it advancing above these levels since the resistance zone is too large to breach in a single shot. However, if the market falls, I anticipate significant resistance until 22055. But if this level is broken and the market continues, we may expect a drop to 22015. Scenario 3 states that if the market begins with a gap down below 22055, the market would be in an bearish scenario, which might cause traders to panic. If it does fall, it might fall as much as 21980. Now I'll create some zones for you to refer to. The Banknifty has seen the same volatility as the Nifty 50 this week, with too much uncertainty. In this case, Banknifty fully followed our scenario 1, in which we predicted that the market would be bullish and rise to 46,950 to 46,990, which is exactly what happened. It rose to that level and then consolidated until the market closed. We will again create three scenarios for tomorrow. Scenario 1 states that if the market opens gaps over 50 to 80 from the previous close, it will again hit the resistance zone of 46,950 to 46,990. This barrier is powerful, and if the market can persist above it, the market may have a solid upswing tomorrow. Scenario 2 is that if the market opens flat and looks positive, it will try to reach the resistance zone that I stated before, after which it will slow down. But if it breaks and persists, there is a fair probability of an uptrend. However, if the market genuinely turns negative, it might fall below 46,625 to 46,600. This autumn might be quite rapid, so trade appropriately. Scenario 3 is if market opens the gap down. If the price falls below 46,800 tomorrow, a negative scenario might emerge, with the possibility of falling as low as 46,625 to 46,000. Now, I'll sketch the zones for tomorrow. Nifty shows the same image as Banknifty, with the same movement in both indices. As a result, I'll have the same idea for Nifty as well. Nothing is different. This is what tomorrow's zones will be. Okay, thank you folks. See you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel Stock Sense and like my videos.